Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to see only friends post on Facebook. Let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Here, tap on Feeds. At the top, you can see many options like Favorite, Groups, Pages, and so on. Tap on Friends to filter the post posted by your friends only. Here, you can see any updates, posts, videos shared by your friends only. And that is how to see only friends post on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.